Folks, my name is Rich White with Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2019 pre-owned Attitude by Eclipse. It's a model number 32 GSG. This is a great floor plan. It's got a nice peninsula kitchen, solid counter surfaces. You've got the upper bed, the facing couches that turn into a booth, the two recliner or the two comfortable chairs, another sofa that turns into a booth or into a bed. It's got a lot of storage all the way across this slide. It's got great storage. Has a large Junction flat screen TV, gas grill top, nice gas oven, big 10 cubic foot freezer, nice full-size microwave. It's got a pull-out pantry. A lot of storage back here, and another pull-out pantry over here. Nice one-piece stainless steel sink. This has got a nice sized bathroom, corner shower, porcelain toilet. Lots of linen storage or extra closet space. Drawer here, drawer here. And then you can access the bedroom from either the hall or through the bathroom. It's got another exit door here. Nice walk around king bed. Shirt closets and nightstands on both sides with pull-out drawers. It's got a second slide here, a wardrobe slide. Let me open those up so you can look inside. Frequently on the toy haulers you get very little closet space, so having this extra slide works out very, very well. I want you to notice the slide in the living area starts here. Your refrigerator, your stovetop, and your sofa are all in the slide. Of course, it's got air conditioning, nice speaker system, your control panels located conveniently right here. Let's go to the exterior and take a look. Got a nice grab handle going out. Being the 32, it's got the triple axles. It's got nice pass-through storage, or not pass-through, but good storage on the back side of this. We're going to go over to the other side. You're going to find it's got the electric hitch pin. And it's got the generator, and I believe, let's take a look and see here, it's a 5.5 Cummins. Folks, this is a great coach, all LED lights. Attitude Eclipse has been a very good seller for us. Very nice to handle a side-by-side or four-wheelers. It's a great coach. We've got this and a great selection of also new ones. This would be a way to save some money on a nice pre-owned that basically is brand new. Once again, my name is Rich White with Guaranty RV. You can reach me at 541-521-8914. Thank you for your time.